Cruciferous vegetables, a diverse family including broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, and arugula, offer a wealth of health benefits thanks to their unique nutritional profile, rich in vitamins and minerals. These vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C, K, and folate, essential for immune function, blood clotting, and cell growth, respectively. They also provide minerals like potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure, and manganese, an antioxidant enzyme cofactor. High fiber content. Cruciferous vegetables are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber promotes digestive health by adding bulk to stool, preventing constipation, and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, glucosinolates, and cancer prevention. A key benefit lies in their glucosinolate content. When chewed or cooked, glucosinolates break down into compounds like isothiocyanates, including sulforaphane. These compounds exhibit potent anti-cancer properties by detoxifying carcinogens, inhibiting cancer cell growth, and promoting apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancerous cells. Studies suggest potential benefits against various cancers, including lung, colon, breast, and prostate cancer, anti-inflammatory effects. The isothiocyanates and other bioactive compounds in cruciferous vegetables possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, so incorporating these vegetables into your diet can contribute to overall health and disease prevention. Antioxidant power. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in antioxidants like carotenoids and vitamin C. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and Alzheimer's. In summary, regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables offers a wide array of health advantages, ranging from improved digestion and immune function to cancer prevention and reduced inflammation. Including a variety of these vegetables in your diet is a simple yet effective way to promote overall well-being. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, so I can create more helpful tips. Thank you.